you're losing money and you're blowing your trading account, try this. Maybe you blow your first account, your second account, your third account, your fourth and even the fifth account, and now you are just at the edge of stopping trading Forex. Now let me give you three tips that will improve and enhance your skills in trading Forex. These 3 tips will get you on track whenever you are blowing your trading accounts. I've blown a couple of accounts, maybe my first week, my first month, or a couple of months when I started trading Forex. And these things happen to most traders, if not all traders. I blew my first account, my second account, my third account, and now I was fed up. These are the 3 things that I did that improved my trading style. Well, the first thing you should consider doing is to withdraw all your money. You should withdraw all the money in your trading account. Don't leave even a penny. This is because probably you started trading Forex without you having a lot or enough knowledge for you to make profits. That's why you've been blowing and blowing your trading account. So you need a fresh start. And one other reason why I want you to withdraw all money in your trading account is because you probably get tempted. You get tempted to place trade with a small balance you have, and you're going to lose that money too. And then you start from zero again. So what you have to do is to withdraw every single penny in your trading account. You might be losing money in the financial market because you don't understand what you are doing. As Warren Buffett said, the great investor, never invest in something you don't understand. So there's a second thing you should probably do when you are losing your trading account. You should go back to the exercise table and learn new profitable techniques. Not only learning profitable techniques, you should also learn new and good risk management plans. Learning good risk management plans is very essential in your trading because if you have a very good profitable strategy and you are trading with it, only one bad trade could clear you out of the market and you blow your entire trading account. So you should have a good risk management plan. So every time you can reduce your risk level and continue making consistent profits in the Forex market. The next thing you should do after withdrawing all your money from your trading account is to do nothing. Yeah, you really need to take a break. Take a break from the trading screen. After taking some break from the trading screen, you should come back and go back to the exercise table and learn new profitable strategies. Not only learning profitable strategies, you should also learn good risk management skills. Now, it's very essential to learn good risk management skills in your trading because if you have a very good profitable strategy that's making you a lot of profits, and now a single trade clears your entire account to zero, then you're not doing anything. So it's really important for you to get a very good risk management plan to make consistent profits in the markets. In this learning period or curve, you should go back to your demo trading account and start testing your strategies with it. Also, you learn how to be psychologically strong in your trades and be able to take consistent profits. You should set a threshold, and anytime your account reaches that level, you should place a withdrawing order so that anytime you could have cushion or money in your trading account and you could farm other trading accounts anytime you want. One thing most traders find very difficult to get is the POP. That's the process over profits. Now, most of the people come into Forex trading with a very huge or high expectation of cashing money out each and every day. No, that's not it. It's a process. It's a process you need to go through, making consistent profits and be at a level that you can take huge trades and make a lot of money with it. Let me give you two websites that will really help you in doing your fundamental analysis. Now, the first one is investing.com. The second one is fxstreets.com. These 2 sites will really help you to read a lot of the incoming news that's going on between the currency pair you are trading. Now, after you've learned all this and want to come back to your trading desk and start trading, you should create a new account. Create a new Forex trading account. I'm not saying you should change your broker. Well, if you want to change your broker, look down into my description. I have some brokers I use personally. You can click the link and sign up to one of the brokers over there. You have to create a new trading account and start trading fresh. For the reason I'm saying this, I'm going to treat it in another video. Now you're getting rid of the old portfolio. You don't want to see the losing trade you've been doing in your last trading account. You are starting to trade at fresh with a new Forex broker, and this is where you are going to practice some risk management and use a very good and profitable strategy with your trades. Also, you have to remember to take consistent profits when you are on this new Forex broker. In Forex trading, we don't deal with only the technical analysis. The fundamental analysis and the sentimental analysis also take a very huge role in your success. Most traders will just wake up in the morning, take their phone or laptop, look into their technical analysis, that's their support and resistance, their trend lines, and all the patterns they know. Forgetting there's something called the fundamental analysis. Personally, when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I check is the fundamental analysis before even I go into the technical and the sentimental analysis of my trading of the day. You should just try this. Don't use the old trading account, create a new one and start trading with it. Well, these are some great tips you can try when you're blowing your Forex trading account, and you will never blow your Forex trading account again when you practice these things well. Now, we'll meet on the next one. It's a bank lifestyle. Stay.
Now, you can watch my recent video where I explain my top 3 Forex brokers I used in 2020. And don't forget to watch my video, how to start trading Forex with $20. I also have a video where I talked about my journey in Forex trading in Ghana. Well, enjoy until we meet again.